So we found ourselves back into this car. So today we're gonna be doing the switch side panels on the doors, and we're gonna put a protector on the side panel here. Show you guys carbon fiber. This one is gonna be in this panel right here. I'm gonna do it on the bottom. The other one's gonna go in the back door. It's for the front and back. So we're gonna install the panel switch, which is this one here. If you guys can see it here, I'm gonna show how I did it. Do your prep. All right. All right, guys. So check it out. This is how I do it first. I cut it down all the way down to close as possible to the protector. So what I usually do, I check, make sure how I want to install it. And I'm gonna be using this 3M blue tape. Okay, you can find it at Home Depot and pretty much any store. Well, that's about it, guys, for the panel. So I came with these stickers, Civic. So I'm gonna set up right here on the side, and I try to do it as even as possible, so we can match the other one on the other side. Right now we're gonna do the switch door panels. All right. This one's just easy. It's just a 3M. Just take out the tape and that's it. So, hope you guys liked the video.